Healthy eating when you're pregnant can be confusing. You don't have to make big changes in your diet, you just need to use common sense and eat the healthiest foods possible. It's best to eat fresh fruits and vegetables every day, along with some high-protein foods such as meat, poultry, fish, tofu, beans, eggs, and nuts. And you'll want to include whole grains such as wheat, oats, and rice. Calcium-rich foods are also very important. If you do like milk, 4 glasses a day should be plenty. You can also have yogurt or cheese. And if you don't like milk, you can eat foods such as tofu, soy milk, broccoli, or other greens, nuts, and beans. In order to get enough iron, you'll need black beans, lentils, meat, especially liver, eggs, seaweeds, and blackstrap molasses. It's perfectly fine to eat soft cheeses such as brie, cream cheese, and others. You just want to make sure that your cheese is always pasteurized. To keep your bowel movement soft, you'll want to have plenty of water and eat high fiber foods such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. And at the grocery, it's really important to shop the outer perimeter. That's where the non-processed foods and the freshest foods are. I recommend a prenatal tablet that includes iron, calcium, and omega-3 fatty acids, and be sure to cut down on the sodas and the caffeine. You know, I find that pregnant women do so much better eating smaller, more frequent meals. This way, you can balance out your nutrition over the course of a day instead of in 2 or 3 large meals.
Do you have a question for our experts? Contact questions@parentsask.com, because raising kids raises questions.